kilalanin natin mga Lods ang San Miguel Beermen official lineup for 2024 PBA Governors Cup. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, kung nais mong suportahan ang aking munting YouTube channel ay humingi po ako ng likes, share and subscribe. Maraming salamat in advance. So una nga dito, itong si Simon Enciso, 33 years old, height 5'11", playing position point guard, 2.4 points, 0.8 rebounds, 1.3 assists, 0.4 steals last PBA Philippine Cup averages. Don Troliano, age 32 years old, height 6'3", playing position forward, 12.5 points, 5.5 rebounds, 0.8 assists, 0.3 steals last PBA Philippine Cup averages. Muala Tautua, age 35 years old, height 6'8", playing position forward center, 8.1 points, 4.9 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 0.4 steals last PBA Philippine Cup averages. Troy Malyeyen, 24 years old, height 6'4", playing position forward, 1.8 points, 0.5 rebounds, 0.3 assists, 0.3 steals last PBA Commissioner's Cup averages. Chris Ross, age 39 years old, height 6'1", playing position point guard, 3.6 points, 2.5 rebounds, 3 assists, 1.3 steals last PBA Philippine Cup averages. Terence Romeo, age 32 years old, height 6'11", playing position point guard, shooting guard, 11.6 points, 2 rebounds, 2.9 assists, 0.3 steals last 2023 to 24 PBA Philippine Cup averages. Marcio Lasater, age 37 years old, height 6'2", playing position shooting guard, small forward, 11.4 points, 3.2 rebounds, 1.9 assists, 0.6 steal, 2023 to 2024 PBA Philippine Cup averages. June Mar Fajardo, age 34 years old, height 6'10", playing position center, 18.9 points, 14.3 rebounds, 2.9 assists, 0.4 steals last 2023 to 24 PBA Philippine Cup averages. Jeron Teng, age 30 years old, height 6'2". Playing position, shooting guard, small forward. 3.5 points, 1 rebound, 0.5 assist, 0.2 steals. 2023 to 2024 PBA Philippine Cup averages. Jericho Cross, age 33 years old, height 6'1", playing position, shooting guard. 9.4 points, 2.7 rebounds, 1.7 assists, 0.6 steals. Last 2023 to 2024 PBA Philippine Cup averages. Kate Jimenez, 27 years old, height 5'11", playing position, point guard. 2 points, 1 rebound, 1 steal. 2023 PBA Commissioner's Cup averages. CJ Perez, age 30 years old, height 6'2", playing position, shooting guard, forward. 16.9 points, 6 rebounds, 3.6 assists, 2.3 steals. 2023 PBA Commissioner's Cup averages. Rick Manuel, age 37 years old, height 6'4", playing position, power forward. 7.8 points, 2.4 rebounds, 0.5 assists, 0.3 steals. 2023 PBA Governor's Cup averages. Rodney Brunjal, age 33 years old, height 6'5", playing position, forward. 4 points, 4.4 rebounds, 1 assist, 0.2 steals. 2023 to 2024 PBA Philippine Cup averages. Tauras Jojila, import, age 31 years old, height 6'6", playing position, power forward. 10.5 points, 4.1 rebounds, 2 assists, 0.2 steals. 2023 to 2024 LKL Junava averages. Kilalanin naman natin mga lods ang mga rookie ng San Miguel Bearmen. Evan Nava, height 6'1", playing position, point guard. 4.1 points, 1 rebound, 1.1 assist, 0.3 steal. 2023 to 2024 KBL Seoul Thunder averages. At ang isang rookie pa ng San Miguel Bearmen, Abdul Sawat, 25 years old, 6'4", playing position, forward. 5.83 points, 3 rebounds, 0.6 assist, 1 steal. UEP averages. At ang huli ay si Ralph Ruben, 5'11", playing position, point guard. 13 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists, best game against San Sebastian, October 24, 2023. At ngayon naman mga Lods, ang head coach ng San Miguel Bearmen si George Gallant, assistant Peter Martin, Ato Agustin, Dayong Mendoza, B-Boy Rabanes, Chris Ross, Boise Samar, Leo Estrella, consultant, team manager G. Abadilla, assistant Daniel Henares. So maraming salamat mga Lods. Kung mayroon kayong mga komento at suggestion regarding dito sa ating panibagong PBA updates, i-comment nyo lang dyan sa baba. Maraming salamat. God bless you all.